What's up, Leftover Family? I'm back again with another video. So if you're new to Leftover Family, please make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe and make sure your post notifications are turned on. Without further ado, cue the intro. Period.
Give me a really good feeling. Your love is
Alright, so y'all can kind of see what we have in the day. Okay, we have a deconstructed B.L.T. that we are about to construct. Oh hell no! Hold on,
Girl, what's going on?
sorry, but everybody knows you cannot have a B.L.T. without some Miracle Whip. Okay, so we gonna say grace, and we gonna get to eating. Dear Father, thank you for the food I'm about to receive. Let it be nourishment, please, to my health and my body. Do I pray for those who don't have as well? In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Right. So, sorry about the bag. FYI, I'm gonna wrap this bag, get these buns out. So, if y'all have headphones on, turn them down for a second. Okay, do the bag. So I couldn't decide if I wanted cheese on all of them or not. So I got one slice of cheese, but as you can see, I took a big ass bite out of the cheese. I wanted to try it first. But how are y'all doing? How's everybody doing? Oh, and y'all guess what we got here? Dessert. I'll explain that to you in a little bit. Yes. I can't eat a B.L.T. without having no mayonnaise. Well, Miracle Whip. And for those who say the same thing, that was a difference. Miracle Whip has more like a sweet taste to it. Mayonnaise to me has like a warm, sensational taste. I don't know how to explain that. It's different. I mean, I could eat either one, but my preference is Miracle Whip. Y'all, and I'm hungry. What y'all eating? What y'all eating for supper today? Hopefully by the time this video reaches y'all, we are monetized. Yes. I'm just waiting on the update and to apply now. And we're gonna have a 24-hour live stream when we get monetized to celebrate. Yes, and I'm putting it on both sides, top and the bottom breads. You can't never have too much Miracle Whip. Okay. Double napkin. Do that. I'm gonna move this stuff to the side that way. It's not in my way when I'm trying to eat because I like to get down with the get down. All right. So, oh, and we also got some steak fries right here. So it's a piece of cheese that I bit off of. We're gonna put that on one of them. Of course, we're gonna layer this B.L.T. down to the get down. Yeah, I don't know. I was sitting at home and I was like, you know what sounds good? A B.L.T. I ain't had one in a hot minute. I was like, oh, I gotta get me a B.L.T. All right, now I can start putting this on the plate. We can start dressing these up, bottles up. We got 3 of them now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat all 3 of them, y'all, but we're gonna dress up 3 of these bad mama jammas. Okay, we got the lettuce on deck. We got the romaine lettuce, you know, the bougie lettuce. We got the tomatoes. We got everything you need, y'all, for a B.L.T. And that's on period. I like me some onions, so I'm gonna load her down on some onions. too much on that one. I'll take some off. Put it on this other one. That may be a little much. Yeah, I think so. That's a little much on that one. All right. Now I took 20 off that one. Okay. I'll put the tops of these on up here. And the rest of this crap, I'm gonna move to the side. The stuff we ain't gonna be using no more. The lettuce, the tomatoes, the onions, you know. Y'all took me 6 minutes to construct this, y'all. Maybe I should do that off camera. But voila, we got our fabulous B.L.Ts. Sorry, I spent thumbnail. I know how we do with the thumbnails. I'm gonna go ahead and open this too. If I drop this thing, now if y'all don't know what that is, ooh, that is a 7-Up cut. A 7-Up. Let's get a little closer to y'all. Get a little personal. 7-Up cake. Now got our drink. We can go ahead and get started. I hate when I catch a water like that. Oh, I can't stand that. Brand new ass bottle too. Supposed to shake it first, I reckon. Yo, my mouth is watering right now. Y'all don't even know. Look at that. Succulent. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. This is a good pickle. What kind of bacon do y'all like? You know, they got the pepper bacon. They got the maple syrup bacon, the regular bacon, the thin bacon, the thick bacon. What kind of bacon do y'all like? I prefer the thick bacon. I don't like pepper bacon, and I don't really like the maple bacon. It's got it's giving pancakes when I don't want pancakes. You know what I mean? This is bomb. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, B.L.T. in a minute. This is busting. Cut your ass now, man. I should take a bite from first. Look at that. Get you a bite. Get you a bite of that. Get you a bite. Get you one of them. A B.L.T. They're so ignorant out here. You was not finna slide off. Get your ass right back up there. Acting up. Because you're in front of company. I'll be down. One with cheese on it, I didn't even eat. And I'm getting full too. Well, we'll figure it out. I'll take a bite of it or two, you know, see what it tastes like with cheese. Just let y'all know. Y'all put cheese in your B.L.T? I'm going to try for cheese, see what it tastes like. This is itching for me to bite it. It's sliding around. Let's see. To be honest, it makes no difference with or without cheese. You can't even taste the cheese. I mean, camera not definitely a difference. I think I lied. I think it's better with cheese. Everything better with cheese though. That's just, that ain't nothing new. Somebody dog out there going off. I'm getting full. I gotta save room. I got to save room. I'm gonna slide this over real quick. Ooh, for this 7-Up cake. Okay. Now, I ain't had one of these in a long time. Since I was in school. But let's make it do what it do, baby. Oh, I'm cutting the plastic. Lord have mercy. Okay. Mmm. Soft. It's moist. Flavorful. It's wet. It's real wet. This is worth, I only paid $4 for this whole cake. Worth every bit of it. I almost want to give me another piece. Ain't nobody watching. That frosting's really good. Thank you, Aldi's.